Number 1. Jack was a young sailor. He lived in England, but he was often away with his ship. One summer, he came back from a long voyage and found new neighbours near his mother's house. They had a pretty daughter, and Jack soon loved her very much. He said to her, "My next voyage will begin in a few days' time, Gloria. I love you, and I'll marry you when I come back. I'll think about you all the time, and I'll write to you and send you a present from every port." Jack's first port was Freetown in Africa, and he sent Gloria a parrot from there. It spoke 5 languages. When Jack's ship reached Australia, there was a letter from Gloria. It said, "Thank you for the parrot, Jack. It tasted much better than a chicken."
Now answer these questions. Number 1. Why did Jack make long voyages? Number 2. Where did Gloria live? Number 3. Why did Jack think about Gloria all the time? Number 4. Where did Jack send Gloria the parrot from? Number 5. Where did Jack get Gloria's letter about the parrot? Number 6. What did Gloria do to the parrot?